Part 13 of the tutorial looks at how we can create and inject text fields to our user interface. Using the Abstract Designer, we create different designs of text fields. We set vModels for them so that we can get their contents. We also trap some click events. These are click prepend, click append, and click append outer events. We have added a button, so that we can get the contents of the text fields. We created different vText field layouts for each of the text fields. You can also just drop these on the same layout. The parent layout is a vContainer that builds a grid by itself. In each row column matrix position, we load a vText field layout. The parent layout has 5 rows, and in each row we have 4 columns, each column 3 spans each. For each of the vText fields, we have not set any properties except the tag name. We want to set the properties via code. We also ensure that we generate members for each of the text fields. For the location text field, we also generate the click events. After we set the properties via code, we ensure that we bind the element to the Vue component. This ensures that bound states work when needed. For the password, we change the type property to be password. For the location, we ensure we add the icons to demonstrate. Also, we have generated the events for the location text field. When the icons are clicked, we just want to show a snack bar for now. There is a button click event that, when executed, the states of the text fields are read, and then these are displayed in JSON format. This covers part 13 for these input controls.